Yamaha YFZ450 won't start. This video provides information on how to fix a Yamaha YFZ450 that will not start up. This troubleshooting guide is from the factory repair manual. Download the complete factory repair manual at 911manual.com. The digital download repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair, including what you should check if your YFZ450 will not start. Instant download repair manuals are available for every year and model Yamaha ATV. Download the complete repair manual at 911manual.com. Download the complete repair manual at 911manual.com. The manual can be downloaded to your computer, tablet, or smartphone.